Hey traders, it's Greg from Trade90X, and hopefully you were able to catch the weekend breakdown video. And now as we've been doing the last few weeks, as a request from the community, people that trade stocks, we've been doing our weekend Trade90X watch list edge scan for quickly, showing bullish and bearish stocks and what edge we use. We try to keep it simple. So let's jump to it. So first thing we always do is, let me just quickly go through what the sentiment is. Remember, always check the news right here. Here's the schedule for the week. Fear and greed index, bulls still have a slight edge. Market momentum, bar chart right here. Bulls still have an edge, but look over the last week, momentum has definitely been waning. We see right here the sector information. And again, we're always using 1 month, 1 week, 1 day. 1 day doesn't make a trend. But again, I'm always looking for, especially with my swing trades, day trade doesn't matter, but for my swing trades, to get us the highest probability, I want to see bullish S&P. I want to see bullish sectors, especially the more that we have 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month for bullishness, then the higher the probability I feel with my swing trades. And then, of course, the symbols that we identify, the ones that we're going to focus on, they need to move through the entry price to prove that they've got momentum. On the bearish side, again, I need to see bearish S&P. I need to see the more that we have red between the monthly, weekly, and daily, the more probability and more confidence I have to take the bearish trades. And the third thing that's not negotiable, just like the bullish thing, price needs to go below our entry price to prove that it has momentum. So with that said, let's go take a look at, again, we use FinViz for our screeners. So here, now I'm going to show you this scan that I like to use. So it's called the 20-day high low. So for bullish, I'm looking for stocks that are making consistent 20-day highs. Bearish, looking 20-day lows. But again, I'm always trading with the market strength. So first thing I'm always looking for is I'm looking for stocks, the US. If you want stocks that are outside, no problem. If you want ETFs and stocks, just go any. I'm just clicking stocks. I want average volume over 2 million. Okay. I want stocks that are optionable. Okay, because we trade options on our swing trades. I want stocks that are making new highs over 20 days. I want stocks over $5. And one of the things that I also want, I want average to range over $1. And the reason why over one, because I want stocks that are moving. Okay, so with that said, here are the filters. It's very simple. Now we go to the charts. Go to charts. Now I'm going to put I like a white chart better myself personally. I'm going to take off this other nonsense. I just need to see price action. So remember, bullish trades. I need to see bullish S&P, bullish sectors, and I need to see the symbol I am trading have the most obvious price action and move through entry. So bullish price action, remember what I always talk about my weekend thing. You must master what bullish, bearish, or indecision price action. Indecision, no interest. But bullish price action, I want to see clear, lower left to upper right. I want to see strong momentum into pause, pullback, and the entry candles I'm looking for, or I'm looking for pin bars, green engulfing, doji or double doji candles. Okay, for bullish. So again, when we come in the morning, we say whatever symbols we pick. I need to see bullish S&P, bullish sectors, and I need to see price move through, through the entry. So let's go. So Apple, absolutely. So again, if we have bullish S&P, bullish sectors, and we move above 168, 186.68. I'm definitely interested in this trade because right now we went momentum into pause. So I like Apple. Again, so this one, not really. Again, I want these, okay? Remember, all you need is one symbol to do what you need. I don't want to pick more than 4 or 5 if I don't have to. And again, bullish stock, I'm going to say it again 100 times. I need bullish S&P, bullish sectors, and I need to see the price move through the entry. So right here, lower left to upper right. So bullish S&P, bullish sectors, and we get above 129.33. I like Amazon. So you already got 2 potential charts. This one, no, I stay away from the gaps right here. Cardinal Health, very nice. Lower left upright. See how obvious it is? Beautiful. Again, bullish S&P, bullish sectors. We move above 91.72. I am interested. So now you got three symbols. Number 4, Dell, beautiful. Lower left to upper right. I'm looking for a price. Bullish S&P, bullish sectors. We get above 50.87. I'm interested. That's number 4. Number 5, DHI looks good. One of the builders, lower left to upper right. Beautiful, nice, obvious price action order flow. If we get bullish S&P, bullish sectors, price moves about 121.40. Beautiful, okay? Beautiful. These, nah, there's much, again, I don't need to trade these. I want this. I want Meta. Look at that. Beautiful. Remember, when you have a gap up, gap down, okay, this is telling you bullish momentum. So basically, bullish S&P, bullish sectors, we get above 28.73. I am interested. So now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 symbols already. What else we got? Okay, PHM looks good. Look at that, lower left to upper right. I mean, as good as it gets. If we have bullish S&P, bullish sectors, 76.27. RCL looks good. Bullish S&P, bullish sectors above 97.92, and also W. So you got almost 10 symbols I just gave you. But again, remember, it's about quickly understanding what is the market telling you? Where's the news? Okay, what is it telling you? Okay, then we go here. Bullishness is lower left to upper right. The more obvious, the easier it is to us to make money. But I need to have bullish S&P, bullish sectors, and price go through the entry. And again, whichever one looks the best, that's the one I'm going to focus on. Are we clear? Now, whenever we have our entry candle, whatever the price, again, I like to put a line right here. If we break, say, above 76.27, I'm looking at where the kind of the structure, the kind of the pivot is, and then I'm going to put my stop to entry point, and that's going to determine where my minimum target is of 2 to 1. And remember what I always talk about, our risk is, I don't care if I'm swing, day trading, we don't risk more than 1% of our account. I don't risk more than 3% per session. This way it gives us 3 solid trades. Okay. Now, any questions about that? Hit us up at hello at Trade90X. I just gave you, now remember, you can do this just on the weekend, or you can do this every day, what I'm showing you. Again, this for me, I love this scan. It's showing me the stocks that are in play, and as long as the market's cooperating with us, we put the odds in our favor. Are we clear? Excellent. Now, for bearishness, all we go is low. But remember, I need to have the market trading with us. Do we have bearish S&P? Do we have bearish sectors? And does price trade through the entry price? But again, what is a symbol look like to be bearish? I want upper left to lower right. I need strong momentum into pause, pullback. And if it is not obvious, I'm not interested. Okay, so Myrna, if we get bearish S&P, bearish sectors, and price moves below 118, 150, I am interested in mRNA. This one's coming into support, look across the board, no interest right now. Maybe that'll change. Okay, there we go. I don't know what this is, but it hit my, again, it's trading over 2 million. It's got the volatility. It's over $5. So it fits my criteria. Look at that. Upper left to lower right. Okay, so if we get bearish S&P, bearish sectors, and we get below 1696, I'm interested. Now, what you can do if you're only getting a few symbols, I can move this down to 1 million, but I don't usually like to go below 1 million in volume. But again, I'm not seeing, okay, IFF looks good. So again, bearish S&P, bearish sectors, we get below 75.28, I'm interested. Okay, so you have Myrna, you have this one, and then we also, what else do we have? What else did we have? What else did we have? The other ones just don't look good to me. They're not, they're not just again, I'm not really that interested in them. So on the bullish side, you definitely have more opportunities. Again, remember, we're still bullish, but we're starting to weaken. But on the bullish side, we have 10. And again, on this right now, we only have 2. And again, you can do this every night. So are we clear? First thing I do is I check the overall market. Number 2, I come to FinViz. For bullishness, I look at new highs, and what I'm looking for is clear, lower left to upper right. I'm looking for momentum into pause, and then I'm looking for bullish S&P, bullish sectors. Price has to trade through the entry price, and then I'm interested to jump in. Okay, are we clear? If we do not get that, I am not interested. On the bearish side, okay, I'm looking for upper left to lower right. It needs to be obvious. Okay, this one fits the bill. These two fit the bill. But again, I must have bearish S&P, bearish sectors to increase the probability. Are we clear? I don't know why a lot of people just don't understand that. Again, if I'm bullish and we have bearish S&P and bearish sectors, I'm not taking the trades. I'll just day trade. Are we clear? On the bearish side, if we have clear bullish S&P and bullish sectors, I'm not taking a bearish trade. I'm going to move to my day trades. Are we clear? Good. If there's any questions about how we quickly do our scans using FinViz, I've given you the filters for bearish and bullish. I've given you the criteria of what I look for our bullish trades and our bearish trades. If there's something you do not understand and did not get, make sure you hit us up at hello@trade90x.com. Again, this method can be used just on the weekend to look for the weekly stocks, or you can absolutely use this every day, scan at the end of every day to look for the best symbols. And again, I recommend you don't pick more than 5 symbols. And again, as long as you got the criteria, then you're good to go. Okay. Again, anything you don't understand, hit us up at hello@trade90x.com. Enjoy the rest of the weekend.